Before you begin, remove the display stand. Important: there are multiple versions of the back cover that correspond with the option board that is installed. Ensure that the replacement back cover matches the damaged back cover, or the connector on the option board will be damaged during installation of the replacement back cover. Removal: remove the 4 6mm P2 Phillips head screws that secure the back cover to the display panel assembly. Carefully release the edges of the back cover from the display panel assembly. Lift the back cover straight up and off the external connectors on the motherboard and remove. Replacement: align the cutouts in the back cover with the external connectors on the motherboard and lower the back cover into position on the display panel assembly. Carefully apply pressure to the edges of the back cover to secure it into place on the display panel assembly. Replace the 4 6mm P2 Phillips head screws that secure the back cover to the display panel assembly.